flush. Oh, that's a spider right there. Ah, I got my first motherfucking video. I ain't looking for no scale. On brisky. There go my door right there. Easy, straight up, back in. Right here. To my trailer street. Oh, wait. Right there. That trailer ended up with that line right there. Throw these gloves on. Make sure you in neutral. When you get it out the truck, we're in neutral. Both our brakes are pulled. And then 3 points of contact when you get it out. So that means 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Let me leave my window down because I'd be paranoid. I didn't already pay twice to get my door unlocked. That's our door right there, door 122. You know what I'm saying? We already kind of backed up enough with our tandem, so we ain't gonna slide our tandems all the way to the back. Usually I do. Here we go. Just like that. That was the wrong way. They wouldn't be able to do that. See, these my play gloves. These are my play gloves right here. If you need some good gloves that's gonna keep your hands clean, I wouldn't recommend these. These is the ones I got from the store, from the Pilot. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with, I mean, I got these gloves from Love's, but there's nothing wrong with these gloves. But the gloves that I normally use, I'm gonna leave a link for y'all, man. If y'all wanna buy them things, they work pretty good for me and I recommend them. So, you know what I'm saying? The real trucker gonna have multiple gloves. Probably like 2. But yeah, this top freight. Let's go ahead back into that though. Yeah, man, this shit easy for you seen. I just opened the doors. Once I opened the doors, man, from the back in, and then you just sit there, man. All you really doing is backing in, drive to your place, then back in. 3 points of contact getting in. You seen that? How I did that? It's automatic now. Yellow one, red one, reverse. And then we're going to that door right there. So we just gonna go straight back. And I'm gonna go full speed ahead because shit, I'm just trying to get there. See that? I'm just following that. That's it. I'm getting a little crooked. Let me slow down right about. I like that. That was a little bit bad, but I thought I was gonna be perfect. I wasn't. And right there, we just get that mug straight. I'm gonna scoot up a little bit because I already see how this gonna be. And I'm gonna do that right there to give it a little turn. You see that? And this is, I'm doing this on, I'm just looking at the mirror, but I should have been showing y'all the wheel movement. You know what I'm saying? So. Really, I'm looking at it now. I think the white line, I should have been on the white line. Usually people tell you to get next to it. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just trust myself. I'ma trust myself. Get the tire on that white line, and then boom, just follow that mud. With trucking, if you want your trailer to turn left or right, so right now I want my trailer to turn left. You know what I'm saying? You see that? I'm gonna turn right to go left. If I want see how I just turned left with this, I went like that, and the trailer started swinging, like trying to get itself back straight. If I turn left towards the trailer, that's what it's gonna do. You know, like, you gotta think of it as a snake for real, how I look at it. Oh yeah, see that? It was the white line, because I could see the door on this other side from here. Just like that. Just go straight. And boom, I'm up on there. Hold your brake down and go to neutral. Parking brake, trailer brake. That's it, I'm finna go hop out and check the back. We already went to neutral. 3 points of contact getting in. Don't get on me about these slides, man. Come on now, relax. All right, so they don't got no chocks. Usually I go out here to make sure they got chocks. And I would flush. Oh, that's a spider right there. I got my first motherfucking video. Look how flush I am. Y'all seen what I just did. Look at that. I just do this. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Make sure I'm not tripping. D122. That's D121. I'm in D122, so yeah, that's the right door.
Hey.
What's up?
You're done, man.
I'm done.
You're done already.
How?
You unloaded already?
No.
You're loaded or unloaded?
I'm loaded.
Loaded?
Mm-hmm.
You got the green light.
It been green. They haven't started yet.
You haven't started?
Yeah, nah, that ain't gonna fit. Yeah, no, they told me D122.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get it. We just got that green light. Let's go ahead and get up out of here. Cut the gloves on. We ain't getting on another load today. I ain't gonna lie, I've been bullshitting these last 2 weeks, but it's not on purpose. I just ain't been locked in, so finna lock in next week. This week coming up, I'm locking in. Well, let's just go make sure that I got a green light, but I like to get out and make sure that they not still up in there. Just want to verify. I forgot about that spider. Oh, there's nobody in there. So yeah, I've been trying to lock in lately. I don't know what it is. Honestly, myself, what I think it is, I need to go home and take me a little week off or whatever. Cause I be having these feelings or urges when I haven't been working a long time, it makes me be able to go work harder. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, if I ain't working, it just don't feel right to me. That's my genes or something. Like, it's me. And that's just how I was raised early, man. Working at Taco Bell, just how it was. I'm gonna stop right here. Oh, see that? Don't do that. That's not a 3-point contact. Don't do that. Man, dude came up to me like he was trying to do something to me. I don't like when these truckers, they got a lot of hostile energy for real. And then when they see that you're not scared or nothing like that, they try to like change their energy and shit, bro. And like, no, you should never came to me anyway with that type of hostility. Locked in. I just be having a bad day or something. Yup, once you got them closed up like this, you ready to go. Look at these eyes. These look like the Corvette's eyes, don't it? Y'all know what I'm talking about. C6, no, C7. C6 too, probably. The C7 though, man, them lights go crazy. I already pulled my tandem. Finna move our tires to the front. But yeah, I usually push out 3,000 to 4,500 miles a week, and the past week, 2 weeks, no, not 2 weeks, because the week before that I made, and 2 weeks is this week and last week, is what I'm saying, because the week before last week I did 4,100 miles, but this week and the week before I've been bullshitting with like 2,300 miles, and I'm not okay with that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get that together. When you pull in your tandems, you just push in your parking brake and not your trailer brake, because you want your trailer to stay stationary. Go to neutral, pull this out, then you can push this hole in, watch it drop. Big booty, hey, that dump. Drop that dump, boy. Once it's dropped, I know it's locked, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to drive real quick and give it a test. Parking brake only, not the trailer. Give it a tug. I ain't going nowhere. Let me give it a little good reverse, because I like to hear that snap. Not the snap, but that tug. See how it's like a Tesla when it's charging up. I hold that brake like that. I go to neutral and watch this. Let go. Hold on. Oh, it's right. There you go. Well, it didn't do it like it usually do. But yeah, we're locked in, so let's get up out of here. In that motherfucker. In that motherfucker. In that motherfucker. Hey. Trying to get that LED cover for this light, man.